Here's how you find 3D printed products to sell on Etsy, and I'm also going to show you how to boost your sales with a few simple strategies. The first and easiest place to find products to sell is from designers and creators who make STLs for a living. There are countless creators that make all sorts of designs for you to download as long as you are subscribed to their Patreon or similar service. Most of them will even let you sell the physical printed products you make wherever you want. Just make sure your subscription includes a commercial license before you start selling. I'll have a full list linked below of great designers that offer commercial licenses to sell prints. The second place to find products to sell is from you and your brain.
Hello.
You can create your own products to sell by making them using CAD software. If you don't know how to use the software, there are an endless amount of free tutorials on YouTube that will help you get up and running. It is a very rewarding experience to see your designs come to life. But if you're not interested in making them yourself, you can always hire a designer to do it for you, like on Fiverr or Upwork, for instance. Now, knowing where to find the products is only half the battle. Finding a winning product that stands out from the crowd can be much more challenging. One method that will help you stand out from the crowd is differentiating. An example would be changing the size, color, or material of the product. That way your product doesn't look like the rest of them, which will help you stand out from the crowd and get more sales. Another method would be creating a bundle. For example, look at this articulating dinosaur toy. It's selling for $5.99. The seller is probably making a few dollars per sale after all the expenses and fees if they are lucky. Now you might be saying, why don't they just raise the price? Well, they could, but sales would likely decrease due to lots of competition and so many other people selling the same product for cheaper. So the better option is to create a bundle. Look at this articulating dinosaur set. It is selling for $24.99, a little over 4 times the price of the other dinosaur, but it is outselling the other one massively. Why is that? Well, for one, it has a higher perceived value to the customer because instead of just getting one dinosaur, the customer is now getting 6. The customer feels like they are getting more bang for their buck. It also stands out from the crowd because not many people are offering bundles, so customers are more likely to click on the listing, which in turn leads to more sales. But there are other benefits as well for you as the seller. You will make more profit per sale because you are charging a higher price for the product, and you will also be saving money on shipping and fees. Your cost in filament would go up slightly, but the amount of profit you would make in return would more than justify that slight increase. Now, the final method to boost your sales is to combine skills. And what do I mean by that? Let's say you're a good painter, or you know woodworking, or you are good with metal, or maybe you are good with electronics. If you can take one or all of those skills and combine it with 3D printing, you can make products that are truly unique, demand high prices, and will get more sales than your basic 3D printed product. Now, I barely scratched the surface of this topic, and if you'd like to learn more, I put together an in-depth course showing the best strategies I've learned from years of selling products online to help you find a winning product, stand out from the crowd, and actually start making money with your 3D printer. So that way your wife or husband can't be mad at you for buying it anymore. The link will be in the description, and I hope to see you in there.